Making textbooks in 1 hour. It's not difficult. You can use any video on YouTube as a class material. Let's take a look on the screen. First, click on Manage Classes on the 1 Hour online textbook site. Then click on Create a new class. Can you see importing videos? Go to YouTube and copy the URL of the video you want. Copy and paste the URL of the video on YouTube. You only have to copy and paste the address like this. You can see the video that was on YouTube a while ago has been moved to 1 Hour website. Write the class title. Please click on Save. If you click on Words, you can see that all the sentences in the previous YouTube video have been extracted. Going back to viewing class. Let's check how the YouTube video has been changed to a class material. Click on Start Class. The sentences in the video are automatically created as subtitles. Then let's listen and check if the audio in the video works well.
Hello there, I'm Teacher Jessica.
You can also adjust the speed like this.
Hello there, I'm Teacher Jessica.
All YouTube videos are changed into class materials, and videos are used as textbooks. You can use various functions such as dubbing, filling in the blanks, and games as class materials. Let's look at the grammar quiz function. The sentences extracted from the video have been changed into the fill-in-the-blank learning material. You can check if your answer is right or wrong right away. Shall we take a look at the dubbing function? First, listen to the audio in the video.
Hello there, I'm Teacher Jessica.
Start recording.
Hello there, I'm Teacher Jessica.
You can check the voice you have just recorded.
Hello there, I'm Teacher Jessica.
You can easily create your own teaching materials by moving the address in the YouTube video into 1 Hour teaching material. Now shall we make a worksheet through the print function? Please click on Print button. Let's click on the sentences. Both objective and subjective questions are available. If you choose 50% like this, only half of the sentence will be exposed. This can be used to create multiple choice questions. Save it to my computer and keep it as a PDF file. I made a worksheet using my favorite YouTube video. Perfect 1 hour both for teachers and for students. Use the perfect lesson tool for everyone. In 1 Hour online textbooks, you can learn English at various levels from children's textbooks to adult textbooks, extracting class material through AI function and print function. Freely create worksheets or use weekly updated textbooks in class. If it is possible to submit homework using the AI system, students can check their homework and submit it with just a click. Teachers, students, and parents can log in and check the entire process of homework simultaneously. Teachers, please focus on the class. Everything else is supported by the automated system. It can be used in any educational institution, schools, language institutes, institutions, study rooms, or English kindergartens, etc. Apply for free textbook testing right now. We help you to experience textbooks through visiting or online. In the textbook website, new videos are updated every week that can be used in class.